Hello, dear friends. Today we'll be mixing the Arista soap base and polymer kit. Note that this is a new version with this type of bubble container. My bottle is from an older batch, but we now have a label that looks like this. So what will we need? Just a packet and a bottle. There's only water in my bucket. It was used for soap before, so you can see some foam. First, I'll open the polymer packet and pour it into our bucket. I've poured it in and I'm stirring it carefully like this. It dissolves quite well. There might be small lumps, but that's nothing to worry about. Next, I'll take and pour half the bottle of soap base in here. I'm pouring it and making sure it's exactly half. Now letting the last drops drain. Need to add a tiny bit more. Hop! At this point, our solution is basically ready. I should mention that the water temperature is warm, room temperature or slightly warmer. When I put my hand in, it feels quite comfortable. Very hot isn't necessary, and very cold will take longer to dissolve. I'm just stirring it right now in front of you. There shouldn't be any foam on your hand when testing. And we can see a bubble forming. Pop! Oh, one more time.
What?